let me show you the preparations and the things and the celebration we are enjoying here.
Event was organized by CAPA, Ohio, Community Association of Pakistani Americans. Masks were mandatory and people tried their best to maintain social distancing.
We have organized this Independence Day event for Pakistan, and we have, mashallah, a great turnout with the social distancing. And also people are wearing masks like I do have mine. And we're going to increase our network to socially help people, helping the community in all financial needs and mental health especially.
Sajid here. I serve Columbus community. Our community organization is basically working for betterment of the community, and on regular basis we see some of the issues that we need to tackle. We do have few judges here that they'll be speaking few words.
I'm Judge Terry Jameson. I'm here today with CAPA, the Community Association for Pakistani Americans. The Pakistani community is a very large congregation in the Franklin County area, and they are contributing so much to our city. Azadi Mubarak.
Thank you.
Please vote Andy Miller. Vote your entire ballot. Vote. Thank you.
So we are listening to American anthem right now, and after that we will be playing our national anthem. Pak Sar Zameen Shandbad. Rahe bare tarakkiyo kamal, tarjumane mazi shane hal, jane istiqbal, sae khudae zul jalal.
Thank you.
We played an interesting quiz game with kids about Pakistan, and we had fun prizes for those who knew the answers.
Arham is getting a gift card.
Okay.
Tell me anything special about Pakistan you know and we don't know.
This was the celebration we had in Columbus, Ohio. We still remember Pakistan in our hearts. Do subscribe to our channel and like our video and share it with your friends and families. Allah Hafiz. Happy Independence Day. Pakistan Zindabad.